Yo!
What's up? Okay, so now we are in Seminyak and then we will have a big lunch. Super big lunch.
As you see the name, Aussie Brazilian BBQ, so that's the name means as you will eat a lot and drink a lot.
So you can eat as much as you can for 100k and then you will pay for beer bucket for 100k. Let's see how
Let's
it
see,
is.
we will see, we will show you. Stay tuned, don't switch the video yet. Here we go, the bucket already arrived. 5, Winnie already opening, check this out. 5 for 100. Alright, so that's how it looks inside the place because it's so hot. We are sitting where is the aircon. And I just realized it's before 1 o'clock, they didn't open yet, but look how many people already coming inside.
Okay,
Alright.
so this is our food. Actually, this is the first round actually.
First one, the first round arrived, beautiful salad, but this is the most important meat. Just try first how it tastes, everything, one of each. Sayang starting from potato, and that's how it looks, so beautiful.
All you can eat.
All you can eat it. Still very quiet as you see, but some people, and I really want to show you how it looks, the barbecue bar, and all you can eat actually, so not so bad. As you see, still quiet, which is actually very nice, but so good. And check this out. Oh, where is my steaks? Almost hobbies. Very nice, very nice. And this is the grill place. Oh, so hot. Check this out, so cool. Also they have some green thingy over here, I don't know, they planting their own salad, which is pretty cool. And some people coming, but this is just the opening, so I believe later about 5 o'clock it must be full house over here. And it looks so cool, so cool. I'm just waiting for steaks because they are completely gone. So they're gonna cook medium well for me. Ooh, so hot. That's so cool, so fresh. Ooh, so cool. For every meat lovers, this is place for you, definitely. I need to get out. So hot next to grill. Here we go. My steaks are coming. Ooh, so cool. And this is the salad bar. Everything quite busy. You have to be careful how you work. I'm working with my steaks through the restaurant, and Sayang still eating.
Oh, smacznego.
Okay, never too much gravy, guys. That's what the people teach me in UK, you know. A lot of gravy on my fresh steaks.
Tastes so
Never too
good.
Smacznego.
Selamat makan, dziękuję. So nice.
I don't know what should I say. This is my plate. I eat 4 steaks, 1 burger, 1 sausage, 4 rolls like a bread, very nice by the way, 3 bintang, full plate of salad, loads of roast potato with gravy, and I feel I'm full now.
So we took 6 plates, 8, 9, 10.
A lot, but still have to eat salad, fruit salad, you know, just for better feel, and finish my one radler always good. Cheers, guys! Really recommended place. Can you recommend this place?
Yeah, I recommend it. And this is not like
Not paid than those when we pay for everything. They didn't give us any for free, so, but it's very nice. And that's how it looks, the place after 1 hour after opening. As you see, it's quite busy. And everybody are happy and full, I believe so, like me. Some people still eating. That's how it looks. By the way, they have a nice environment here. So, are you okay? Tired? Full? Oh, just overloaded maybe. Well, very nice, very nice. Check this out. As you see, this is our bill. Barbecue, only 100 per person, and bucket of rather 350 including tax.
Alright, so after we had a very huge meal and then we decided to have a coffee and just walk a bit around Seminyak Legian area.
We're in Legian Corner. I will show you around actually this pretty cool place also, and not so far away. Having my coffee, and meanwhile I'm gonna show you a little bit around how it looks the place. It's actually quite quiet here. This is our Jimmy Park here. This is how it looks the street around, and yeah, this is how is it. It's kind of quiet here, but quite cozy place. Actually, I make a vlog already a few times here, but usually after night, I mean late night. And now I'm gonna show you how it looks like here. Also, I forgot the street, but if you're gonna go there is the Padma area. If you're gonna go by this street, and will be the many famous places. And here's supposed to be some restaurant, but it's closed. And that's how it looks outside. It's actually kind of quiet in this part of Seminyak to compare to the place where we was. Check this out, almost everything. It's closed. This place where we are is Legian Corner. If you are interested, that's how it looks. Oh, it's still so hot, by the way. Still so hot. And that's how it looked like. Yo, what's up? Oh, all good, all good, all good. And that's how it is. I was thinking, because he's flirting with Winnie. Okay, the girls have a... Hello! They have a meeting. That's cool, that's good. After our
Super hot.
food trip today and the coffee and so hot, it's time to walk a little bit. So this is the Jalan Arjuna, right? And behind us is the famous 66 area.
Yeah.
And now we're gonna show you a little bit how it looks like here, and also we're gonna do some special request. I forgot your name, buddy, but you know that's special for you. You comment at least 20 times under my videos about this. And now don't switch the video because I will show you now. Okay, so 66 there. This is the Legian Corner where we have a coffee, and that's how it looks the live here. Some warungs are now open, and some people chilling around actually. No, definitely more warungs are open right now with the accessories, stuff like this, as you can see here, than to compare to the other months where I used to make vlogs here many times actually. As you, somebody who watching us already for longer a while, you recognize these places. But for someone who is new on the channel, I just want to say, as I have almost 400 videos since past year on YouTube, so if you are thinking about something, probably you're gonna find this on my channel. And yeah, that's how it looks like. And we are heading, by the way, to the place of the special request. And the guy who is looking for this, he already must be happy. And that's mean you, because we are heading now. Anyway, it's kind of quiet. And it's very hot, by the way. It's definitely much more than 30 degrees right now. Check this out, it's actually a nice shawl. Very nice. Pillows, nice, yeah? Very nice, actually. Oh my god, even the trip guy is open today. Hello, how are you? Yeah, masker on, it's okay. Now we are heading now where, Sang?
Horizon. Right in front of us is the Horizon Hotel.
Meanwhile, this is the bike guy. How are you? All good, yeah? Oh, beautiful, brand new NMAX. Cheap price. Cheap, very cheap. Okay, thank you. And yeah, this is the Horizon Hotel, and yeah, this is for you. One of you asked us to show the Horizon Hotel, and here we go. This is the Horizon. It's open. They have a briefing right now. I think the staff have a briefing, so I'm not gonna disturb them. But that's how it looks like. It's open. Hotel is open, definitely, and that's how it looks. The area surrounds. I don't know what is this actually. Oh, that's the car rental. I think they have a. Yeah, that's how it's it. Yo, what's up? And yeah, as you see, Horizon, we are open, so that's how it is. And there is the briefing stuff. Hotel looks like this. Yeah, I think that's it. What I can show. I hope so you are satisfied from this. And well, rental company, they also have a Jimmy here as mine. And if we are already here, we will see what is deep inside, because to be honest, I don't know what is deep inside this gang. and I think there are some guest house or villas like Villa Coco and Dynasty Residence and Heaven Suits. It's actually never been here, to be honest, so this is something something new. It seems like residential area.
Okay guys, so now let's move to Legian. Let's see how the life's there, as we are here in the kind of Legian Utara, right? The North Legian, but we will move to the area of Y Bar. I know that most of you also like to go to Y Bar and always comment, can you go to Y Bar? So this is the time we will go there.
Here we go, we are just strolling, and one goal trip. If you are coming here with wife, with girlfriend, with partner, avoid this place, because you will stop all the time and trying to buy something.
All right, so now we are heading to the North Legian Street. So this area is famous for the massage shop, art shop, and also hotels, and also famous for tattoos. See, massage, yeah, some. And then this one right in front of us is Hotel Kumala Pantai. This is the shop in the Jalan Werkudara, Legian, North Legian. I think that only Alcar here.
Alright, so we are just at the front on the Y Bar in Legian.
Yes, so this road is Jalan Padma Utara, and then right behind us is the Y Bar. And seems the Y Bar is open, but there is no customers.
And there is nothing around, actually. Super deadly quiet here. I will show you now. We will be back shortly. 1.5 years later, nothing has changed. It looks actually pretty sad. And at the same time, I could say pretty scary. Station bar, and I mean, this is the hotel. This is the Y Bar for everyone who are asking about the place. It's open, but it's completely quiet. Actually, somebody is there, one person, I think. Here's supposed to be something. Not much is happening in the area over there at all. Well, as you see, really not much is happening. And there is the Padma and Legian beach over there.
Alright guys, I think that's all our video today from Seminyak and then North Legian. I think that's all. Thank you for watching and
See you tomorrow. See ya. Take care.